to our channel. I am Kaylin.
And I'm Kendra, and we are
Dose of K. We are so excited that you all are back here on our channel. And if you did not get to subscribe before, you can subscribe now. Click that red button right down there. Click that red button, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And also click that little bell next to that subscribe button so that you can get post notifications every single time we post a video. You will get a notification every single time. But we're going to jump straight into what this video is about.
So this is our fall lookbook. As you can see by the title, it's our fall lookbook for 2018. And it is different outfits that me and Kaylin have come up with that are going to be essential to you in the fall and maybe even in the spring. You know, some people just like to drag fall to spring, you know, just to pick winter.
No.
Nobody
better not do that.
But I'm playing. But no, like I was saying, so this is our fall lookbook. We came up with these different outfits. A lot of them vary from like club outfits to just a little brunch, you know, different things like that. So it's just really outfits that we've worn or possibly are going to wear somewhere in this fall season. So
hey, follow us on our social media and we will be wearing these outfits out. We have all our social media linked down below in the description box. All our social media is linked down below in the description box, and also each outfit, I will link the exact outfit down below in the description box if I'm able to find that particular outfit online. Some of these outfits are from boutiques in our area, so I might not be able to find it, but I can find something similar to it and link it down in the description box. But I will link down each outfit down in the description box where the store it came from and everything like that. And if there is one outfit on there that I know for sure is not online, then I can find you something similar to it. But you know, hey, I'm gonna do my best to have everything down in the description box. Like I said, the stores, our social media, her social media, mine, and our joint page is down in the description box. But I know we're talking too much. So
without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this lookbook. We hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And we will see y'all on our next video. Bye.